All right, guys, we are live now. I just want to know if you're live, if you can see us already. Okay, maybe drop a message in the chat box. Let's see if you are here with us. Okay, are you here with us now, right now?
Let me introduce myself. My name is Andy Okubini. All right, or Coach Andy. I'm known everywhere as Coach Andy. All right, and I'm the founder of the Social Link Commerce. Social Link Commerce is a very major brand. It's our major parent company, and then we have several programs like the Socially Money University, the TikTok Ads Cheat Code, the QPPL Money University, and we have several programs all over the internet, and we're training students right now. We have about over 10,000 students, 10 to 12,000 students right now. We're training from over 20 countries. We have several programs. We have students who have made massive results with the different things that we're teaching online. It's crazy. It's just amazing the kind of results that our students are getting. We have students who are making tens and tens of thousands of dollars with our different programs. And guess what I'm going to be showing you tonight is going to blow your mind. But just a little bit. Also, I'm a gospel activist. Okay, now this is me here just
with the Rhapsody
discussing
realities, you
in
can
one of our
seed your
programs.
nations, you can seed your state, you can take your environment, you can take schools, you can take hospitals, you can take different locations with the gospel. Exactly. So here's what you're going to do right now. There's a link on that.
All right, so you see, that's me. I'm a gospel activist. I'm everywhere, all around, sharing the good news with people all over the world. All right, and so this is just a little brief about me. All right, you can read about Coach Andy on the internet and all of that. Okay, but this tonight is not about me. It's about you. I could go on and on and on and tell you my story and how we started getting the crazy results, how we're making millions and millions and millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars online and several things. But that's not what I want to talk about tonight. I want to talk about you. I want to talk about you currently right now. Maybe what you're doing, maybe you're just making a little money. Maybe you're currently struggling financially. Maybe you're currently in that particular state that you are in, and you're looking for a desperate way out. So it's you I want to talk about tonight. I don't want to talk about myself. I could open up a dashboard and show you all the millions we are making, but that's not going to change your life. You knowing that we're making millions is not what you came here to know. You already know we're making millions. That's the reason you are listening to us. So that's no news. What is important right now is how are you going to make the same money? How are you going to get the same results? That's the reason we are in this class tonight. Okay, so it doesn't matter where maybe you're making a little money, maybe you don't even know what to do right now, but you just have this determination. You just have this hunger for success. You are hungry for success. You desire to make something out of your life. You desire to make a lot of money. That's the reason you are here tonight. So if that's the reason, just stay with us tonight. So we've had different ages of human civilization. We had the agrarian age, okay, where human beings, people were farming and all of that. And then from there, we moved to the industrial age. The industrial age, people had to work before they can make money. Now, the problem now is a lot of people are still in that age, but the age has gone 2 generations ahead of that already. So now that's the reason why most persons right now who have a job are suffering. All right, they are suffering, like they're wondering what's happening now, because they are 2 generations behind. Because now that generation, the industrial age, it was all about working and getting paid. After that age, we went into the age of technology. Currently, the age we are in right now is the age of automation, where you get the AI to handle and do everything. Okay, so that's where you are in right now. So what I'm going to do in this class, I'm going to move you from any stage you are. I'm going to move you into the present age right now, so that you begin to know exactly what you're doing. Okay, I am going to give you an engine right now. I'm here to take you by the hand and help you to get into the system. And I'm going to show you the part of the system I'm going to help you to get into right now. Now, imagine plugging you to a particular system right now where you will never have to take any trade again in your life. I know you might be watching this particular video right now. You don't even know how to trade before, okay? You've never taken any trade. You've never done anything in the trading. You just heard about the system. You thought, okay, I want to get into it. Now, if you know in the university, the Social Link University, we have 3 parts. We have the trading system, the trading university. We have about 30 classes there, and you have the signal machine. the signals group, and then you have the auto trading machine. The auto trading machine is the one that is blowing people's minds, because you really a lot of students are making crazy amounts of money from the signals and from the university. But the auto trading system is a system where you don't even need to know anything about trading at all. You are a complete novice. You don't even need to learn. Okay, you don't even need to learn anything about trading. All you need to do, come into the system. We will plug you into the auto trading system, and you don't need to learn how to analyze. You see all these things that have to do with analysis. You will never need to know it, okay? You don't need to know how to analyze. You don't even need to know how to open trades. You don't need to know how to close trades. You don't need to know about charts. You don't need to know about candles. You don't need to download MT5 app. You don't even need to download MT5. That's crazy. You're not even taking any trade. You're not even setting up your trading. You're not even setting up your MT5. All of these analysis, you don't need to know any of them. So I'm going to plug you into the system, all right, that allows you to copy the trades of the masters. All right, so we have a master system where we are trading every single day. We're taking the trades. Imagine the kind of results we are getting in the system. Imagine those results happening and duplicating themselves into your account without you ever opening any trade, without you downloading MT5 app, without you doing anything. All you need to do, you plug into the system and then you go and sleep. It's amazing tonight that two of the top developers on the system are with us here tonight. So we have a full house. Coach Wisdom, over to you. Let's begin.
All right. So hello, everyone. My name is His Wisdom, also known as Coach Wisdom. And with me here is
Yes,
ValFX.
ValFX.
Yeah, ValFX. Yeah. So yeah, Valentine, aka ValFX. So today we're going to be showing you guys, exposing you guys to a new system. Now, it's not really a new system, but this system is really built in such a way that it can make you profit hands off. So what's the problem here? Now, a lot of us here, a lot of you and I, most of the time have had issues where we wanted to make money from the financial markets. And then we wanted just to be able to find something that can make us money, because when you want to go through education and you want to learn how to trade, it's a long process, and it's very worth it to learn how to trade and become a great trader. But then the process is long and it takes a whole lot. And while you're doing that, can you be earning money at the same time in a sustainable way, in such a way that your capital is protected and you're consistently making profit, right? So this is why we came up with this system, and then the one of the top developers of this system and the lead developer of this system is who you have here today talking to you about how this system was built and developed. And we're going to show you today how it has been really working for the past couple of years right now. Okay, so that's the problem. Now, the solution we decided to bring out here is that you can now come on the platform and be able to make money from the financial markets consistently without even doing anything, right? And what is this about? It's basically an automated trading system. It's an automated trading system. Now, some people might have heard, some of you might have heard about an automated trading system before, or found one before, and then you had issues with it. But the main thing is, how was a system developed? What was built into it? How are the lot size picked? What's the algorithm behind it? Right? That is what distinguishes one system from the other. And we can tell you here that what we've built here has worked for more than 3 years and is produced results consistently. So today we're going to be showing you some of the results that over time has come. Some of them you're going to be seeing the records from 2025 to 2024 and so on and so forth. And you'll begin to see how these results have worked even for corporate organizations, for individuals, and then they've been able to make money consistently, completely hands off. So this is what we're presenting to you. And the beautiful part of this is that it's not like all these schemes that you have. You actually have your funds on a brokerage account, and this just trades on your account, and you are able to make your profit. You can make money for a week and decide to withdraw. Nobody is restricting you, because you're not putting money into a scheme. You are putting money in your account, and then you are able to we're able to deploy this system on your account, and you're able to make profit from it. right? So this is going to work by a system called copy trading. We have this running already on the platform, and you just connect to this automated trading system we have running, and you are able to see this profit replicated on your account on a daily basis, right? And then you can decide that you want to withdraw your profit, take your profit at any time. It's all up to you. Okay, so I'm going to be handing over to Val FS. He's going to take over from here, and basically he's going to be showing us records of what has been done on corporate organization, on corporate, on accounts that are run by corporate organizations with us, and also on individuals just like you who have $400, $1,000 in their account. What can this do for you? Right. So that's what ValFS is going to be showing us today. And then ValFS, are you ready?
Definitely, definitely. Always ready.
Oh, okay, great. Take it off.
All right, then. Thank you very much, Sir Heath. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is basically how this works, right? First of all, I'm just going to explain the AI trading, the copy trading for us. So it's a system whereby the traders, some set algorithms have been put in place to ensure that it's taking proper trades at proper parameters that have been set. And also it comes to the trading stop for those of you who understand what trading stop is and what trading is, right? Comes off for you to take profit with a trailing stop as well, with a certain number of pips. So everything has been set to ensure that the risk levels are low, and also at the same time you're actually able to make money and it is still profitable for you. Most times people believe that trading, you have a wrong mindset whereby you want to make money quickly, sharply, and make flip your account in 2 days, 1 day, and all that. Yes, as much as that is possible as well, it's also not very sustainable because trading comes with its own risks as well, and you have to actually be very cautious and careful, and also understand that it is okay to get money gradually. So it's about consistency, which is what I'm going to show us right now. Okay, so for instance, this is like some reports from some accounts that we have running. So we can see here that this is a $2 million $2 million account that was funded here. Remember, corporate organizations actually have this as well. But don't be dismayed and don't be scared. You can actually use smaller amounts of money as well. It's all about your account size and how it is actually set. All right. So you can see that this is dated as far back as December 2024, and it's been running since then. So we can see that it's running since December 2024. I'm just going to scroll down for us to see. And of course, if you look here, this is the profit and loss part here. Now, remember, I said trading, there are profits and there are losses as well. So you also have to remember that what matters is the net profit at the end. They're going to close in some profit and some losses as well. So that's how trading works. Anybody that comes to tell that it's all profit is a lie, that we make money all the time, it is a serious lie. But what you should understand that it is actually about your profitability. So you can see here, this is just basically, I'm not going to bore so much, but this just show us the amount of trade that has peak profitability. So what matters right now, you can see here closed P&L. So at the end, time this was pulled, this was 7th of April 2025. That has been running since 2024 December, and you can see this has pulled about $656,925 already. That is over almost that's give or take about 30-40% of starting capital already. So that is something actually very, very massive. So yes, also have floating trades that are currently running as well. All right, so you can see gross profit here, gross net here at the same time as well. Drawdown, for those of us who might understand, the relative drawdown we have here is about 11%. 11% of the capital. That is really, really amazing. So you've not be able to even get a drawdown up to 30% of the account at all. The highest drawdown you can see, a maximum drawdown that we have seen, that we see for this account, is just 11% of the trading capital. Right. So for those of us who understand these terms, you know what drawdown is. So for you to be getting a $2 million account and drawdown is just about 11%, with this kind of profit, it is actually very, very amazing. All right. Now let me show us another one. This one also started. Now this started as far back as 2022. 2022. That's when this actually started, right? 2022 of
So guys,
December.
notice the deposit, notice all
Yes,
of that.
yes, yes. Notice that as well. You can see this person because of the how profitable and how it was. This person, this company rather kept adding more. This is about $500,000. This is about another $200,000 because this person had this organization had seen how well this stuff was working, the algorithm was working, and decided to add more money to it. This was 500,000 here and that 200,000 here. All right. So this has been since 2022. This is whole of 2023, all the way down. As you can see, this person has been on it a very, very long time. Remember, consistency is key. All right. At this point here, this person made another deposit because of how well it was doing. Then this person also withdrew $500,000 from the profit as well. All right. So uh, this is now at 2023. So we can see a lot of trade. This is 2024, right? This is another withdrawal of $200,000. This person has started deciding to take some profit, which is okay, of course. It is always recommended take profits as well. All right. Uh, this is all the way to another withdrawal again, another 100,000. So you can see here that it's been coming, and this organization has been withdrawing their profits. Then see another $160,000 withdrawal. This is the 2024, right? This is another withdrawal, $200,000. Then later added another $498,000 again. All right. So you can see close P&L. This account actually started with $700,000. $700,000, and at the end, it has been at this about 1.28 million generated since 2020. Uh, 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 yeah, since 2022 to date, right? Just the $700,000 dollar account has made about another $1.2 million account. All right, so it is something very, 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 very profitable, and you can actually do it so well, right? So now let's look at yet another one. This is another $700,000 dollar account. So this one actually started from 2023. So you can see consistency. There's consistency. I've shown you one that's been since 2022. I've shown you another one that's been 2023. I've shown you another one that's 2024. Right? So let's just scroll down to the end. So don't bore you so much. You can see withdrawals here, 100,000 from the profit, and that withdrawal $20,000 from the profit as well. Another withdrawal 35,000. This 26,000 as well. All right. You can see another transfer for $4,000, and that one again, $28,000. So then this person added some funds again to continue, right? About 253,000. Here added another $500,000. It's just to show you that these people have seen that okay, it works, so they're willing to add more investments into it. So let me just scroll down all the way to the end. We can see again another withdrawal about $500,000. So let me just scroll down to the end so that we can see how well. Now this ran all the way from 2022 to date, and this account has made so far about 1.4. This is as at 4th of March, as at when this was pulled, 4th of March 2025. Right? So we can see what's 4th of March? Yes, 4th of March 2025. About $1.4 million already made so far, right? And you can see there are still accounts that are currently actually on it as well. Okay, so you can see here again, drawdown on this account, just about 13% drawdown so far from between then and now, maximum 13% drawdown. So let's look at another account. So why are we doing this? So that we can see that it's been tested and trusted. We have several accounts on it that you know that okay. Yeah, several accounts on it that we know that have been tested. So you can see here this person withdraw 100,000, 105,000. This actually started 2025 this year, January this year. Right, this account started with about another million, I think about $1 million. Right, so it's not been so long. It's a very recent one. So far, this account has been about $477,000 already. $477,000 already, and check out the drawdown, just 1%, just 1%, just 1%. Highest drawdown, 1.18% between January and now. 1% of, okay, let's just round it up, right? 2%, let's say 2% of your capital, that's the highest drawdown that it has seen since January till now. So you can see another account here. Okay, let's just go down to the profit. This actually started early as well. This started in 2025, January 2025, this year. And we can see this has already made a $675,000. This was another account that started with $1 million as well. Okay, so we can see here, yes, see relative drawdown 0.92%, not up to 1% drawdown. All right, so again, you can see this is a 2 million account as well. This is another $2 million account. Let's just scroll down. I think this started January this year as well, 2025. Let's just go down now. You can see this has made about $656,000 already. Remember, it's a huge one because they are corporate organizations, right? So we can see here, let's look at the relative drawdown. It's just about 11%, 11% drawdown. So it is the risk management, the risk level is actually very, very good. So now let me show us some video on a specific account. So this is the account. So it doesn't look like we just send in something from everywhere. So this is an account on the MetaTrader application. You can see it here as well. You can see the profitability level. You can see the trades that have been taken as well. So you have control over it. You can actually see it, what is happening. It's not some sort of thing that they just tell you, or bring your money and be giving you a certain amount every day. No, it's not. It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. So this is another account as well. You can see this account already $594,000 dollars already. So you can see here making good money. So I had to exchange the date here. I'm just checking the dates here so that show from December 2024. Actually, it's about 600,000 between December to now, which was when it actually started. So this is since December to now, profit 649,000. All right. So we can see another one here. Now, this is a smaller account for those of us who are thinking, okay, what we are seeing is big hundreds of thousands and millions. No, this is just 400,000, rather $400 account. The $400 account that was started. This was, I think, this month, no, March. Yes, late March, about 18th of March, last month, 18th of March rather, 2025. That's when this account started running, and you can see that so far already in this barely 2 weeks, or rather barely 3 weeks, and it has made about 100, and you can see it here, $156 already, over 30%, almost 50% of your starting capital. So now what we always know that it's very good possibility, and again depends on the market speed as well. For those of us who understand how fast market can be, sometimes you can achieve 100% of your capital in 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Sometimes it can be 9 months or even a year. But what matters is consistency, and you are making money. Like you can see, these accounts are very short term. Some accounts that are short term from January to now. Some have already done 30%, some have already done 40%. It's a good thing because this period has been very fast in the market, a lot of movement in the market. So when the market has a lot of movement, you tend to make your money faster. But what matters and what is key here is actually consistency and profitability, right? So that is what we are trying to tell you right now: consistency and profitability. Slowly and surely, the market will be very, very profitable for you. So basically, yes, that's it. Mr. Hayes, do you have anything to add?
Okay, great. You've done a whole lot here and explaining everything, and this is what we're trying to show you guys. You will see that these accounts have withdrawals, these accounts have deposits and all that, because people can make up things online and say, oh, this is this is that. But what we're showing you real accounts. And for most of us, I know that you're not a corporate organization and you're not coming in with millions, but that's why we're showing you a $400 account that basically started probably 3 weeks ago, and you're seeing over 30% there. Now, we're not saying that this is what you should be looking at, but we're just showing you that we have this has ability to produce consistent results, and you might achieve this, you might achieve something less. The most important thing is consistency. So that's what we have for you, and get started with this, and then we'll see on the other side. Thank you.
Oh, wow, that was amazing. Now, there is a caveat to this. All right, we're not letting everybody in, but because the opportunity is too massive. Like, how do you even give this kind of thing to every Tommy, Dick, and Harry on the street? We don't do that. So there are 3 things you would do to be able to get access to this system. Okay. Now, the first thing is to set up your auto trade account. Now, how you're going to do this, if you stay with me in this class, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this, okay? You cannot just go anywhere on the internet and say auto trade account. You're not going to get the link anywhere. I can promise you that, okay? Step 1 is to set up your auto trade account. You need an account, a trading account to run this, okay? And they're going to give you access to all of that. Step 2, you will have to fund your account. You must fund your account to $50, $100, $200, $500. The bigger the funding, the more money you're likely to make, okay? But the minimum funding for the system to run is $50. You cannot fund your account with anything less than $50. So we won't even listen to you. All right. Then the next thing is, once your account is funded, we will get you plugged into the system. All right. Once you're plugged into the system, what's the next thing? Go and sleep. It's as simple as that. Just go and rest. Go and sleep. Okay. Now, there's a link under this page or under this video or somewhere around this page or the group where you got access to this class. All right. If the link is not there now, probably like in the next 1 hour or so, the link is going to be dropping. If it doesn't drop, send a message to the admin. They'll send you the link. The link is going to be dropping there. The link will take you to this page where you're going to go through the 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. All right. Now, step 1 is create your account, create a trading account. There's a short video there that'll show you how to create your account. And then there's a link there on the page. That link takes you to the place where you set up your trading account, and just follow the instructions in that short video. Step 2 shows you how to fund your trading account. It takes you through the exact steps. Just follow exactly what you're told to do there. Okay, you can fund as much as you want. The larger your funding, the more money you make, all right, within a given period of time. Then step 3 shows you how to plug into the auto trading machine, and the link is also there. Okay, and make sure you watch these short videos. They're just 3 short videos that shows you how to get access, how to follow the instructions step by step. It's impossible to miss it. It's just impossible. See, so there's a link under this video. If you can't get the link, just probably wait for an hour or go to the admin, and it will give you the link to join, to get to this particular page. Once you get to this particular page, just follow the instructions, instruction 1, 2, 3, and you're just going to get access to it. Now, if you want to give people access to maybe your friends or your family members or whoever you want to get plugged into the system quickly, you can give them the link to this very page. All right, they will just go through these 3 short videos and follow the simple instructions there and all of that, and you just follow and just get the same results that you're getting. All right, congratulations in advance, and I'll see you right inside the system. And